Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Talking to toddlers sometimes just feel like you're talking to your imaginary self. They appear so innocent and so sweet with a touch of block ears. Up and down on the street like a mad woman. And he thinks that everything he's doing is funny. I had to take the harness and tie him on the leg and on the gate. So he will be close to me and on my watch. Join me as I trim my front flower and also clear my back garden and the equipment I use in doing those things. This is that time of the year in the UK where you have your garden cleared and also trim your flowers. A lot of people will be wanting, I need a house that has back garden and also a frontage. This is the disadvantage of having a house that has back garden. If you have a house that have back garden, just be rest assured that you're going to clear the garden or even trim the flowers, because to get a gardener here, you know how much you're going to spend. It's not back in the Nigeria that you have to call them and give them like 500 naira or 1000 naira, which is about £1. £1 to clear the whole of your back garden. You don't do it here. If you want to do that in the UK, you should be talking about like £3,000, which is about like 3 million naira in Nigeria to clear one place. At this point, I finished trimming the front flower, so this is the time for me to pack it and put them aside. Make sure that everywhere is clean and use my broom to sweep the remaining one. And this is how I do it every year, because getting a gardener here in the UK is quite expensive. So everything is okay now. I'm going to untie my son and take him in so I can trim the front one. Do you see the reason I'm tying him? Because of this thing he's doing. He think it's funny. Anything you do, this boy will just leave you and run. I don't know where he's running to. Is it only him that is doing this running, or other toddlers are doing it? Because this is kind of too much. So I need to put him inside and do the front one as well. So this, after the front one, I had to start using my hand to weed the ground, because as you can see, it's also unkept as well. So I had to weed the ground and also pack those and pack them away. So I used this bicycle to keep him busy, because if I didn't keep him busy, he's going to run. And if I should lock him inside and close the door, he's going to run. So in as much as I put him, he still runs and I still catch him. So this is the outcome of everything. Do you see how I trimmed the whole flowers to perfection? So guys, this is it. So now it's time to move to the back garden and do the one that's in back garden as well. So my back garden is quite big. It's big. So I'm using this mower to do it because it's very big. And in doing this, my son was really crying because he doesn't like the sound of the mower. He doesn't like it at all. All these things I've been doing, this guy has been crying. So when you do it a little bit and you find out that the mower is full, what you're going to do is to detach it from the machine and take the glass away and put it back in place and start to everything finish. So at this point, my son is not having it at all. He has been crying back to back because of the sound the mower is making. And I tried to put him through and say, this is not hurting mommy. This is just to do this. So yeah, I think that this tree is taking a size shade. So I had to, to break it with my neighbor. My neighbor helped me and I break it. I need to tell you something. Do you know how sweet it is to be versatile as a woman? Not only a woman, but as a person. Like, you can adapt, you can do things, you have multiple talents. When you want to dress like a baddie, you will dress like a baddie. When you want to do other things, you do it. When you walk, you walk. When you do things, you do it. Do you know how it is? So at this point, I finished everything, and now it's time to trim the fence. You know, they have this flower fence in the UK. You don't really get like big fence in Nigeria, but they have this flower fence that you trim. So they use I don't know what they call this flower, but they use it to cover the fence, the tiny fence, like the dwarf fence that they did. I had to use this to, remove it. But funny enough, the way everything is looking so thick, if it's in Nigeria, you see the kind of snake I'm going to see. But funny enough, after the whole thing I did, I didn't even see anything called snake. Nothing called snake at all. So I taking back the mower. At this point, everything is taking shape. My son is not having it at all. So it's time again to pack the ones that I've cleared. I need to pack it and take it back to where we pack the ones we've cleared before. And everything is coming out in shape. So if you've watched this video up to this extent, kindly click the subscribing button. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. So I finished the other fence. It's now time to do this fence as well. Do you see how beautiful everywhere is looking? Guys, did I try? If you know say I try, comment below this video.